Hello student, today I am dictate you class 6 social studies lesson 2. The earliest societies human evolutions. Question: which is the most spectacular stone age painting site in India? Bhimbetka is the most spectacular stone age painting site in India. Question number 2. In which state Hunsi and Baijwal Valley are located? Hunsi and Baijwal Valley are located in Gulbarga district, Karnataka. What is the scientific name given to human beings? Homo sapiens is the scientific name given to human beings. In which place are word only Paleolithic people surviving today? The words only Paleolithic people surviving today in Deccan region, who were known as quartized men. The Paleolithic men in India were known as the quartized men. Write one sentence about each of the following. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the scientific name given to human being. It means the thinking man. Habitation cum factory site. Paleolithic sites can be classified and habitation factory and habitation cum factory sites. Paleolithic age remains. Paleolithic age remains have been found at many places in the Deccan region. River Son. Scrabble and borer's tools are found in the Son Valley of Punjab. Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is the most spectacular stone age painting site in India. क्वेश्चन है आपका, who were hominids? The early men were called hominids as they were not the same as the man of modern times. Question number 2. What do you understand by the Paleolithic age? The period between 500,000 to 10,000 BCE is known as the Paleolithic age or Old Stone Age. The Paleolithic age is divided into three phases on the basic of the nature of the stone tools and change in climate. Number 1. Lower Paleolithic age, Middle Paleolithic age, third Upper Paleolithic age. Question number 3. Name the tools used in the Lower Paleolithic age. Hand access tools used in Lower Paleolithic age. These tools were also called choppers. Question number 4. What do you understand by the term Paleolithic? The term Paleolithic is derived from two Greek words, paleo meaning old and lithos meaning stone. The sources of an early proof of this stage are the cave paintings and stone implements discovered in many parts of the world. The Paleolithic age is divided into Lower Paleolithic age, Middle Paleolithic age and Upper Paleolithic age. Question number 5. What is Bhimbetka famous for? Bhimbetka is in Madhya Pradesh is famous for its largest and most spectacular stone age rock painting. Answer in detail. What do you know about the Paleolithic age? Answer this question is written in short question 4. What do you understand by the term Paleolithic? Question number 1, question number 4 is same. Question number 2. Describe the three phases of Paleolithic age. The Paleolithic age can be divided into three phases on the basis of the nature of the stone tools and changes in climate. Number 1. Lower Paleolithic age. This period experienced ice cover on the earth. The climate was extremely cold. This age is also known as the Ice Age or the Pleistocene period. The most common stone tools of this period are the hand axes. In India, these tools have been discovered in the valley of the River Son in Punjab. Middle Paleolithic age. Scrapers and borers are the main tools of this age. These tools were sharp and made of the stone flakes. The climate was still cold but not as as before. It may be called the middle phases of the Ice Age. These tools also were found in the Son Valley of Punjab and on the banks of Narmada River. Third, Upper Paleolithic Age. This period occurred at the same time as the final phase of the Ice Age. Blades and burins are the main tools of this period. These tools have found in Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand and Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Question number 3. What do you know about the customs and belief the Paleolithic man? Why did he used to live in groups? Custom and beliefs. There is no much information available which could point to their religious beliefs, since they were feared of the fury of nature. Perhaps they worshipped nature, living in groups. He used to live in groups because living in groups made life easy for the Paleolithic man. It enabled him to hunt large animals and share the food. He was afraid of thunder and lightning, as he did not understand the nature phenomena. He was also feared the ferocious animals like tigers, lions, panthers, etc. Living in groups provided him security against natural dangers. Question number 4. Describe the Paleolithic age in the Deccan. Paleolithic age remains have been found at many places in the Deccan region, such as the Pune, Nasik, Chirki, Nimasa in Maharashtra, Hansing in Karnataka, and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. The findings suggest that the region was lightly forested and rainfall was heavier than today. Many factory sites have also been found near the river banks. Remains of bones, horns, and tusks of animals like the elephant and the wild ox are found, which suggests that they are hunted. The wooden handles of axes have decayed with time, but the presence of the groove on some have excess proof that they were fixed on wooden handles. Question number 5. Describe the lifestyle and habitation of the Paleolithic man. The Paleolithic man did not know about the agriculture. He led a savage life using stone weapons for hunting animals for food and gathered edible plants and fleshy underground stems or roots of some plants. He covered his body with leaves or barks from the trees or the skins of animals hunted by him to protect himself from an adverse climate. Since they had to depend on stone for tools and weapons, they had to settle down near hilly areas. They preferred to settle down in the hilly river valley. Thank you.